babe. What do you think?
What do I think? Oh my God, rockers, it is sail day today, and we are in Miami. We just landed, and we're going on a brand new cruise line we've never been on, MSC. I've heard mixed reviews, I'm sure you have too, but we're gonna find out together. We're taking you with us. Let's rock. Magnifica. It's the Magnifica!
Woo! We made it! We arrived at the Magnifica! Thanks to Marco.
Enjoy it. Thanks, Marcos.
All right. Yes.
Thank you.
Safe drive.
I'll hook you up on the app, bro. And this, I really will. I'm not like the other people. I really will hook you up on the app.
All right.
We haven't been to Port Miami for a minute, but it is chaos down here. It looks like there's 20 ships in port today. They said that we were in Terminal C, but we're actually in Terminal E for MSC Magnifica. So we're learning as we go. We've never been on MSC. Yee-hee. We're on our way in to check in and all that good stuff. That has been a long night, literally. We took a red eye that left LA at 9 o'clock and got into Miami at 4 a.m. It's noon, 12:30 right now, so we had a long time at the airport. We're ready to get on this ship. Okay, that's insane. I just showed it. We're getting on the MSC Magnifica, and after we get off the ship on Monday, we're getting on the Conquest, and they're literally parked right next to each other. So I am praying that that's the case when we get off the ship on Monday, because this port is humongous. And how convenient would that be that we just walk off?
You guys, the Conquest.
Walk off
Carnival.
And get right back on to the Conquest for 4 more days.
It's kissing MSC's butt because MSC's first right now.
We might not have mentioned that we're doing back-to-back cruises. Now, most people consider back-to-back where you just stay on the ship and keep going for the next departure on the same ship, but no, we're gonna get off this ship and go on to another ship.
Right onto the Conquest, you guys. This is so exciting. Can't wait.
That's the definition of rocking the boat.
That's right.
It's rocking the boats.
I just wanted to share a few little facts about the Magnifica. It was built in France. It's 964 feet long, and it harbors almost 4,000 people, including crew. That's huge.
Huge.
Okay. Woo! We're on. Oh my goodness. Again, he's kidding. I've never even been on the Magnifica.
It's our first MSC. We're excited.
She was here before.
Maybe. I don't know.
I think I was lost. Okay, I'll admit it. I was lost. I was lost. Well, so far the MSC is very elegant. We typically will get a drink right away. So went to the bar all excited, gonna get a Cuba Libre, and they said that the drink package that I purchased on the app wasn't showing that I purchased it. What? Drama. Their app was faulty. So, know that for the future. When there's too much traffic, it doesn't work out. So, we're purchasing. We wanted to find out now, what does it cost on board? Yeah, we're spending more. It's $60 a day, and it was, so $180 for the 3-day trip here, and it was $147 before. So, that's a good chunk of change, $33, right? It could definitely go somewhere else. Well, now you know.
Hello there, my name is Elvis.
What's up, man? So you worked it out?
Yeah, sure. Some rum and coke for you.
Rum and coke, baby.
Yeah, enjoy.
The drink package is all worked out?
Yep, I'm here for that. We're gonna make it work out.
All right, so we found our room. We're on the 10th deck, and we got an interior room for this cruise because it's a smoking deal. We paid $525 total. That's with port taxes and everything for both of us.
Yes.
To go on this cruise for 3 nights.
Never been in a room without a window before, but I am gonna tell you all about it.
Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
All right, here we are, 1009 tour. Let's check it out. Insertion is good. You need to put your key card in here to get the lights going, I guess. There's a small light over here, but let's see if it gets the max propulsion. Boom. Full lights. All right. Okay, it is smaller than we're used to. No pun intended, but this room is small. But check out the mirror right here. The whole wall is a mirror, so it feels a lot bigger than you would normally feel if there was no mirror there. And there's actually quite a few mirrors. There's a full-length mirror right here. Check this out.
Oh my God, we just got to 100.
Wow, look at that.
And then there's a mirror over here at the vanity, which is awesome.
Wow, this room has so many mirrors. Check it out. Woo! Oh my gosh, what is it? I've never had a room with one before. Twin bed! Babe, climb up there. Does it hold a man your size? Let's test it out. All right, 6'2".
Oh, yeah. All right.
Something.
It works. I can tell you that it holds 230 pounds of muscle.
Ow!
I better be a good boy tonight or end up
See
sleeping
how
up there.
easy that was? He just did it sideways, you guys. Moving on. Let's check out what type of storage they have here on the MSC. We've got a safe. It's a nice size for all your valuables.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers.
Wow, and they're roomy. A cubby, and then life jacket above. We got, ooh, look at this. It's a double door closet where you're able to hang all your things. It looks like they really want you to hang.
I guess for 2 weeks you have enough hangers.
Yep. We threw our backpacks in there. There's plenty of room for luggage, all that good
Let's
stuff.
check out the luxurious bathroom.
Oh my gosh, I hear it's pretty roomy. And it is. Wow, look at this. We've got a detachable shower head. Oh, water's coming out of it. We've got, ooh, that's where we turn it on. That's it, just a detachable and adjustable.
Shampoo, body wash over there, nice.
Ooh, yep, you don't have to bring that.
And I do like the fact that they have these shelves over here for your toiletry stuff. Some cruises don't have that, but I love it when we're on Carnival and they have that.
It gives you so much more room.
It does.
And once again, they do love mirrors. A lot of mirror in the bathroom.
Is there
Full body.
What's the storage like down there?
Oh, let's look at this. Oh, it looks like we got the trash can and a little bit of shelf. And oop, we've got, oh look, they give you extra trash bags. Maybe for laundry or so. And then we've got some more storage here. Wow, there is really a lot of shelf
There's
here.
actually a lot of room down there.
There really is. So if you were taking an extended trip, you have plenty of cupboard space, a couple of hooks. Looks like, you know, for 4 items. All right. Wow. That is a nice bathroom for this size room.
Couple cups and an ice bucket. And there's a pull-out seat down there. Can you pull that out?
Yeah, an ottoman here for sitting and doing your makeup or a computer or just having a little extra space of your own within the room.
Yeah, perfect. The desk is actually pretty deep, so laptop no problem. They have hair dryer. Yep, there's a hair dryer in there. Damn. We have the TV. It's probably like 22-inch. It's not very big, but it's perfect for this size room. This is probably the refrigerator.
What is that?
What the hell?
Oh, okay.
No. My God.
What's happening?
The refrigerator's locked.
Let's look. Yep, it does require a key. Oh no, now we're gonna have to call.
All right, let's call and find out what's up.
The problem that I'm having is we can't seem to open up the refrigerator section. Oh.
When you get to your room, an MSC apparently, the fridge is locked because it's a mini bar as well. They're telling Melissa at 7 p.m. is when they'll unlock it. So keep that in mind. Guess we can't store our snacks in there until 7 p.m. Check out the ship. We haven't seen anything yet. We've seen 2 areas in the whole ship. Now, if you want to get a drink, because it's pretty busy down by the main pool, come to La Barchetta. Barchetta. Come to La Barchetta. It's the bar where the solarium pool is. So it's the indoor pool. There's a bar where the lines are half as long as they are over there at the main pool bar. We didn't want to wait in that line, so we found this place. This is a great spot to get a drink when you get on the boat. How's your pie?
Oh my goodness, piping hot. I already took some bites out of it. It's cheesy delight. They had some delicious red pepper that I put on here. Try it.
I know that MSC is known for their pizza. What do you think?
Very good. Tastes like New York. Sounds scary, but it's just the sound of muster drill time. Get to your rooms immediately.
Okay, we're back in the room again. Now, seriously, they make you go to your room and watch a video, and then you gotta dial a phone number, and then once you dial the phone number, you go to your muster station. So they force us back in our room. It's MSC, baby! Last step of the muster drill, we have to go get our card scanned in the casino.
That's it? All right, perfect. Okay, yeah, we're all mustered in. Do you hear that?
What's that?
It's over.
We're the last people?
It's over.
Oh my gosh, it's over. We did it. We did it.
Enjoy your cruise.
Thank you.
Wait, were we the last people? Is that what just happened?
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
Does that go off when everyone is scanned?
No, there's all the assembly point.
I know, but
It just so happened that we the thing went off right when we
dude, we
scanned our
were the
phone.
very last one.
Today's emergency safety drill is now complete.
All right, the muster drill's been going on for like 2.5 hours.
How you doing? You look amazing. Thank you so much. Woo, represent.
All right, the sun's going down. The deck party's about to start. Another thing we noticed is on MSC so far is the elevator sizes. Some of them are big, like a normal elevator you would see, and some of them are tiny, like almost like a little closet.
Sounds like a little Latin love going on right now. Latin love.
So interesting. Each elevator is a different size. Whatever, it doesn't matter as long as you get up or down, right? Doesn't matter to me. But, uh-oh, they're kicking in the tunes. It's ready to go for the sail away party. Broke my ankle trying those Latin dance moves. Malizia's got it. She's on fire.
I do.
Boricua over here can handle it.
I did.
I almost broke my ankle, but we are leaving Port Lick behind us.
Woo! Look how beautiful Miami looks.
What a view.
Wow. So colorful and bright.
That's our favorite time. It's slot time. We are at Chica Bonita. Chica Bonita. We're going for the lightning link. It is $10,278, and we're gonna win it right now. $10,278, Americana dollars.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Yes, a win of some sort. Let's do it.
All right, last spin, 69. This is good luck. Come on.
Let's do it.
Oh, dun, 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 dun.
Well, you can't win every time.
That's what winning looks like in the casino.
Aww.
Oh Lord, it is late. It is what time
Early
is it?
in the morning.
It is
3:11.
3:11.
Like
3:11.
the band.
So they're starting to clean everything up. There's no lounge seats out here anymore. They're power washing all the floors. So it's time for us to go. It's been an awesome embarkation day. Totally different experience here that we've had compared to Carnival, our Virgin, our Norwegian on MSC.
Can't wait to.
We'll go into that depth later.
Yes. Give
But-
you that information.
It's time to go. We got breakfast in the morning. We got the fantastic experience. So you get a free breakfast delivered to you in the morning. We'll see how that is.
On all your days, which is nice because you could stay up this early and then have breakfast delivered to you and, you know, go from there.
Yeah, so we're hoping to get an early start. We'll see if that happens, but we'll be sharing the CD. Now, hey, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. If you love cruise videos, all-inclusive resorts, and also if you want to get on the list for our group cruise, it's totally free. It doesn't cost you anything. Go to rockintheboat.club.
Yes.
Rockintheboat.club. Just put in your name, your email address, and which cruise port you live closest to, and we're going to decide which cruise we're going to do for our first group cruise. We'll be announcing that early next year.
Yay.
We'd love to have you come with us because we want to grow the community like we said. So go ahead and do that, and we'll see you on the next video. And remember, just keep rocking the boat.
Woo!
See ya.